Hi guys, good morning! Welcome back to my channel. So, yan. Pwede po kayo mag-order din sa akin in case na gusto nyo. Yung mga Oakley bags, bath sink, kitchen sink. Pwede po yung bank transfer or GCash. Then, via Lalamove or any pwedeng padalhan. Polo, then mga cups available. Ito may discount yung aming mga sandals na Oakley until 31 end of the month. For golf, available pants, cups, shoes with discount 30%. Yung mga shoes. Yan. Golf bags and umbrella dahil uso yung tag-ulan na ngayon. So, mag-umbrella na. Yan. And eyewear especially. So, eyewear store kami dito sa ATC. Yan po, available for active lifestyle. Then, meron din kaming case. Yan. Prism lens po yan and photochromic available. Also this. Yan. Depende po sa design na gusto nyo and sa shape ng inyong face. Yan. Yan. And we have here also helmets. Up to 60% discount helmets. And this one is our golf, Prism Golf eyewear. Also, we have here sports performance, all of this. Like Spira by Spira. The ranging of the price is 13,000 and up. So, pwede kayong order sa akin. Pwede mag-comment dyan. Bibigay ko yung contact number. Then, pwede po kayong order. Couple bags, backpacks. Yun lang. Bye!